Hey, what's up, people? On this one, I want to update you guys, and yes, as you can see, that BTC is absolutely flying today. So as you can actually see here, it was around 800. Now it's over 800 and it's over 830,000. So it's absolutely flying, going up, guys. So if you haven't been investing, how guys, you are left behind. But for precaution or for anything like that, guys, so this is not a financial advice. Make your own mind, because anything I do here, it's not any financial advice. It's just what I actually just do. So I'm just sharing what I do, guys. So in a week, as you can actually see, we've been growing from 720 up to 840,000 in a month. As you can actually see, this has been going up, bananas going up, guys. So over 840,000 in a month, guys. So as you can actually see, from 660, it was there in this month, and it absolutely got bananas and got them. So as you can actually see, guys, this is absolutely getting results, guys. So you just have to like and subscribe, and make sure you don't miss out on these videos that I actually do here, so that you can actually see how I actually make money. This is my demo account. As you can actually see, I just only have over 3,000 in here. It's just some of the coins I just bought by just to I just want to make an experiment and see how this is going to make in about 5 years. So I'm just in about few months in this, so I just want to guys should just follow with me and actually see how this is actually going to take me. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on this. I will keep on updating you on each and every week on how much I am making. It doesn't matter if it's going down, doesn't matter if it's going up. I will just go and show you guys. So this is what I have: an XRP, I have DOT, I have Matic, and I have BTC. So those are just the coins that I have in here. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on these coins as they grow. So I'm just trying to put in at least 500 a month, so that I can see how much I can make in this. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. This is a ciao ciao.